Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer records from Mailchimp to HubSpot. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer customer records from Mailchimp to HubSpot, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Select the audience you wish to export. Click on the Manage Audience drop-down menu. Choose the Export Audience option. Mailchimp will generate a .csv file containing your customer records. Once the export is complete, you will receive a download link via email or find it in your notifications. Download the .csv file to your computer. Next, log into your HubSpot account. From the HubSpot dashboard, click on Contacts in the main navigation bar. Select Import from the drop-down menu. Choose Start an Import. Select File from Computer. Then, click on the Choose File button. Locate and select the .csv file you downloaded from Mailchimp. Click Next to proceed. HubSpot will automatically detect the columns in your .csv file. Review the data mapping, ensuring that each column aligns with the correct HubSpot properties. Make any necessary adjustments to the mappings. Once you are satisfied, click Next to continue. Choose whether to add these contacts to a specific list or just import them into your contact database. Proceed by clicking Import. HubSpot will begin processing the import. You will receive a notification once the import is complete. Finally, review your contacts to ensure that all records have been transferred accurately. You have successfully transferred customer records from Mailchimp to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.